Today we are taking a look at the Toyota BJ-44 Land Cruiser kit from Italeri models. 1/24 scale, really basic curbside kit. Just got reissued here in the last couple of weeks. And you have the option of the hard top or a soft top, 2-in-1 kit. And it is today's What's in the Box. So initially, this tooling goes back to about 1982 when it was initially released under the ESCI brand as the BJ-44 Land Cruiser kit. Then it got a reissue shortly after that in as the Philippines a taxi version, and then I got a reissue sometime after that as the Savannah Master Toyota Kenya Safari version. And then the last time it was out, you'll remember it was as the armed pickup, and then here we are today. Let's check it out. And starting off with the body, and as you can see, it's molded in a lovely shade of like as you can see, the door frame has been bent a little bit during transit. And now we're going to take a look at the top options. First, you have the hard top. And the soft top option. And we're going to get started with the chassis frame piece. Which you can see has the underside of the engine detail molded in. Underside detail is pretty lacking. And that'll be the interior. And then these pieces, I'm assuming those are the front seats are going to attach to those, is what I'm guessing. Now taking a look at the main and one and only main parts tree. There's the clear parts tree, but for non-clear parts tree, this is the only parts tree in kit. Start up here with the front and rear axles. Scoot over here, take a look at the wheels. You see, you do get 5 of them, one for the spare. Steering wheel there on the lower left. Looks like the front seats, headlight, buckets there, which you'll have to chrome the backing. Come down here, you have a set of seats that go over the wheel wells. In this little center section of parts, we have a winch, mirrors, suspension pieces, gear shift levers, a couple of there, like brake rotors, brake drums. Let's see, some other pieces there. Here you see you have a choice of dashes, so you can either do left-hand or right-hand drive options. Detail is pretty faint on those dashes, but you see over here you have choices of left and right-hand drive wipers. You have pedals, license plate, frame, whatever that is. Rear seat option there. You have exhaust, tie rods, shocks, a spare tire carrier, now we're going to take a look at the blank sidewall rounded rounds. And so you do get 5 of them. Taking a look at the clear parts tree. So you have several options, obviously, for depending on which top you go with, hard or soft. Well, these are going to be for the hard top. Here you have the main window, front windshield, side windows, headlight lenses, taillight lenses, turn signal lenses, lenses. And then this will be the soft top options. And finally, we'll take a look at the decal sheet, which you see you have your choice of license plates, have a instrument gauge cluster. So you have California, looks like England. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Toyota BJ-44 Land Cruiser kit from Italeri. Kind of cool that it got a reissue. If you want to get yourself some Toyota color matched paint for this one, I'm not sure if you can find the paint codes, and see if James can do it. If he can, he will get you some color matched paint for this one. That's how I'm going to roll. You know, I'm actually curious. I'm going to look up and see if I can find paint codes for this one, because that's how I roll. You guys already knew that. So, on that note, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.